Okay guys, so you will be starting your new social studies project. And so you have a country research project to do. You will first go to PebbleGo to search a country that you would love to research on. So in PebbleGo you are going to type Meridiana as your username. Your password is READ, R-E-A-D, no S. And then you want to say go. Do not sign in with your Google account because it will not work. Once you're in PebbleGo, you are going to go to this icon that says Social Studies. In those Social Studies, you're going to find a section called Countries. So the countries are organized by continent. So if you want a country in South America,
countries in South America,
you will click here. And so it gives you the most popular countries in South America. And so if you want to kind of browse through each one and kind of see which one you like best, that is totally fine. That's part of research.
Bolivia.
That is Bolivia. So you can go to each continent and look at the most popular country you would like to research.